Hey guys, Justin Lobato here in Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the Pinnacle Souveran Jeweling Wax. If you're in need of having to polish your vehicle and you don't have a lot of time, we have you covered with this product. Now, the best thing I love about this is Pinnacle is known for its flagship wax. This formula has that in it, even though it's an all-in-one, and it will lightly correct micro scratches, swirls, things like that to give you the finish you're looking for, but this leaves that ultimate shine behind that Pinnacle is known for with their wax. Pinnacle Souveran Jeweling Wax is something that can be applied by hand or machine, so the best of both worlds based on how you want to apply it. And the best part about it is you could do a whole vehicle, and the tip behind that is you do the whole vehicle, you let the wax haze over, and you take it off easy. So it's one of those things that this is a part of your arsenal that you must have, especially if you're on a time crunch and you want to be able to get everything in one step. For more information, visit autogeek.com, and remember, the beauty is in the details.